I don't mean to be rude, but Starlo can be so annoying sometimes. I'm sorry. I just had to... I wasn't paying attention. Oh, Mario leveled up! Okay, so here we can level up whatever we want. And you have the Lakitu. You can choose whatever you want. Right now, I'm going to choose power. We got some good numbers. 3! Yay, we got 3 on power. So Mario's going to be pretty powerful now. So it's good. Jump, jump, jump. Sorry guys, I'm being quiet. I'm just concentrating right now. Sorry if I'm being too quiet. I don't mean to be super silent, so sorry about that. Oh, this thing. Teamwork. Mario, Luigi, Mario, Luigi, Luigi, Mario. See, the power of teamwork is great. You can do so... Really? Starlo? Do you really need to know what to do? Wow! Looks like Bowser and Halo all kinds of junk. Let's hope some of it turns out to be stuff we can use. Maybe in this wooden crate, if we could break it open. Oh, I wonder how. Maybe we could just break it open normally. Or, you know, we could do a huge long thing trying to find out how. Jump, 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 jump. Just crush it. Just, oh my god. Mario and Luigi can crush Goombas. They can crush a simple crate. Ooh, what's this? Trash bit. Attack piece. I'm pretty sure these are for special moves. Oh, isn't that an attack piece? So Bowser swallow some of those as well. You don't know about them? Attack pieces are fragments that form special attacks. If you collect all 10 of the attack pieces, you'll be able to use a special attack. What's a special attack? Well, I'll tell you later. Do I really need to know? Let's find them. Whoa. No, Luigi. How could you? Boing. A boing. And take that. Ooh, syrup jars. Oh, those will be helpful soon. You gotta find 8 more. Whoops, I accidentally moved the camera. Okay. I really hate this camera today. It's being so not cooperative. Oh, Luigi. Mario. Okay, guys, I'm gonna be right back. This thing is really not being nice today. Okay, guys, I'm back. Sorry for the inconvenience. Let's just get back to this. Boing. Need to find 5 more, so let's get to it. Let's hop to it. Or jump to it. Oh, because Mario and Luigi can jump. Get it? No. I'm not going to do that again. But, Luigi. Here we go. Yay. Another piece. 2 more. Boop. 1 more piece. Let's go. Last piece. Yay. Attack piece number 10. Trash bit. All of them were found. You got all the attack pieces? Now you can use special attack. Oh no. Green shell. You can now use green shells. I knew it. They snuck in another tutorial. Okay, I cannot get this camera right today. To watch a quick demo? Nah, never. A new enemy. Okay, new enemy here. No! Freaking tutorials! sorry guys, you're getting mad. I hate tutorials. Just go away. I hate you, Starlo. Even though you're kind of a cool character. Oh my god. I know how to play this game. I'm not an idiot. Kick. Kick. There we go. I guess another one's gonna come back because, or not. Oh my gosh, our health and stuff. Whoa, it's so important. Okay, thanks for healing us, I guess. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Okay. Oh wow, Zero. What are these guys called? Oh, our new enemy, Elite Goomba. Let's kill him. Because boom. What? Okay, I'm sorry, I wasn't paying attention. I didn't pay attention that time. I just wasn't even looking at the screen, actually. I don't know why. Sometimes my mind just dozes off. Oh, yay, we did it, I think. Wow, you did it. Whoa. Yay. Bum, 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 bum. Boom. Okay. Alright, let's continue and grab the hammers. What? I don't understand what's going on. No! We did it! Hammer time! Yay! Got the hammers! I bet you could break all kinds of things with those hammers. Yeah, I bet we could. First, you switch to action icon with your hammer with R. Okay. And then if you press A, you'll swing the hammer. Whoa! I did not know that, because I'm dumb. Whee! I'm still gonna need it. Bump. Ooh, that looks gross. I'm gonna hit it anyway. Huh? Oh no! Stop. Hammer time! Oh, that's not that good. Oh no! Let's fight. Wanna fight, bro? Wanna fight? Wanna fight? Huh? Wanna fight? Mario! Are we gonna do another tutorial again? If you stop on this guy's spikes, it'll hurt. You don't say. I'm serious. Jumping on that would be very bad, and that's no good. Instead, what you ought to do is use the hammer. Whoa! Wanna hear how to use it? No. No. Wee. Okay. Ready? Wee. I sang wee, because it's funny. Wee. Super smash, and you're not dead apparently. I'm gonna smash you. Oh, oops. Well, that's what happens if you mess up. We're learning. Did I explain? Nah. Because I don't feel like it, okay? And if I don't feel like it, I don't feel like it. Okay, that guy's dead. Oh, I'm not paying attention. Dang it. Yay, Luigi! I knew you could do it. You can do it. Okay. We are gonna level up power. Come on, Luigi. 5! Whoa, Luigi! You're good. Luigi is gonna be OP now. Luigi's like 5. That's very powerful, actually, surprisingly. I didn't even think I would get that. Woohoo! Celebration time. Come on! Alright, I'm gonna kill this guy. Ready? And he's dead. Dun, 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 dun. Just gotta fix the camera a little bit. I'm just fixing it up. There we go. Alrighty. Stop. Hammer time. Beanie. Okay. Boom. 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 Oh, okie dokie. Okay, grab that. And we're here. Looks like we finally made it out of that messed up area. We may be able to access some other areas of Bowser's body. The circles represent places we can probably reach. Just follow the path to get to where you want to go. Move with that thing, of course, or you can just touch the circle you want to access. I wonder if there's a place we could go already, for what lies ahead. Okay, sorry guys, we will see you in the next episode. If you guys like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. If this happens to be the first video you see by me, please be sure to show your support by subscribing. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next episode. Bye guys.